Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch this mode here. You can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, like it could be conversations, calls, messages. It could be apps. It could be alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar, events. You can also set a schedule for this mode. For example, let's add not event but time period. So you can name the schedule, you can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time of the schedule, and so on. You can set up a default duration of this mode, and you can also hide notifications. You can hide only sound notifications, and you can also hide visual and sound notifications, or you can set custom like restriction for notifications. And yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.